Hello and welcome to my channel Igcse with Sadaf. Let's solve some questions from past papers, paper 2, topic states of matter. This question is taken from the topic diffusion. Two gas jars each contain a different gas. The gas jars are connected and covered slips are removed. The diagram shows what happened to the particles of gases. Which process has occurred? Here you can see there is, after some time, there is a random mixing of particles. So this is showing you diffusion. The correct answer is diffusion. This picture is taken from your textbook. You can see here how diffusion is taking place. The definition says the particles move from region of higher concentration towards a region of lower concentration. Eventually means finally the particles are evenly spread and their concentration is same throughout. Here you can see finally their concentration is same throughout both of the jars. Second point is the rate of diffusion in liquids is much slower than in gases. Diffusion does not take place in solids as particles cannot move from place to place, and diffusion is the process by which different fluids mix as a result of random motion of particles. Second question says, which diagram shows the process of diffusion? You have to choose the diagram which is showing you the random mixing of particles. All the particles should be randomly mixed. Here you can see that the particles arrangement is changed, which is wrong. Also here you can see particles arrangement or combination is changed, which is wrong. This picture is showing you correct process of diffusion because particles are randomly and thoroughly mixed with each other. The diagram shows how the molecules in the exhaust gases diffuse into the air. Molecules in exhaust gases. Which statement describes what happens to these molecules next? Here you can see the molecules of air, and these are the molecules in exhaust gases. After some time they are randomly distributed or evenly distributed. The molecules fall to the ground because they are heavier than air molecules. Wrong. They go back together as they cool. It's wrong. They spread further into the air. Yes, of course, these particles are spreading into the air particles. The molecules stay where they are. It's also wrong. So the correct option is option C. Particles moving very slowly from an area of higher concentration to an area of lower concentration. Which process is being described above? As you know, this definition is saying for diffusion, and very slowly it means this is not a gas because gas particles are faster, so it must be through liquid, a substance diffusing through a liquid. This question says that substance M is a solid at 30 degrees Celsius. The substance is heated to 80 degrees Celsius and its temperature measured as it cools down to room temperature. The cooling curve is shown. So students, we will first of all check at 30 degrees Celsius it is solid in this solid state between R to S. This is solid, and here this is liquid state between P to Q. So as we are cooling it down, QR is representing the freezing, means liquid to solid. So option B is the correct answer. From Q to R, it's showing you freezing state, change of state.